Aditya Vaibhav is in Aurangabad right now, and he's at the residence of one of the victims. Her name has been confirmed as Tanya Soni. Aditya, what kind of, I understand the grief and the loss, but what exactly are the family members demanding right now? Because I understand it's so difficult to reach out to the parents also this time. They sent their child to the national capital of this country to fulfill her dreams, and then this happens.
Well, exactly, Pooja. As far as the authorities out there in Delhi are indulging into the blame game as to who actually done it and what actually led to Rajendra Nagar fiasco, we are showing you live visuals from the residence of Tanya Soni in Aurangabad's Navi Nagar, and you can clearly see in the visuals that the family and family members and relatives, they are sitting outside, they are mourning, and they are awaiting the dead body of Tanya to reach at this place for final rituals. We'll try to talk to some of her relatives and try to understand what they actually make of this entire incident. We have Tanya's uncle with us. अपना नाम बताएं।
अवधेश सोनी मेरा नाम है।
ये बताएं कि जो हादसा हुआ उसके बाद अब आपकी क्या मांग है, किस तरह से इस तरह की चीजों को रोका जा सकता है, आगे नहीं होना चाहिए?
हम लोग को तो जो उचित हो मांग मिलना चाहिए, हादसा न हो तो इसका भी तो सरकार को देखना है।
किसकी जिम्मेदारी तय होनी चाहिए? गलती एमसीडी की है या वहाँ के प्रशासन की है या कोचिंग की?
दोनों की है, एमसीडी और प्रशासन दोनों की है। कोचिंग संचालक को भी गलती है, उतना नीचा बेसमेंट में नहीं, बच्चे लोग को नहीं एंट्री करना चाहिए।
So you can clearly understand, Pooja, that of course the family members, they are blaming the authorities, they are simultaneously training their guns on the coaching administration as well, because what made them to actually run a library in the basement where there is no protection from, you can say, rainwater? Pooja.
Well, all questions and all actions can be asked and done right now, but the fact is the child's gone. 3 children, 3 students who are preparing for civil services are gone because watered into this library. It sounds as absurd as I'm saying it, and actually shocking it's happening in country's capital. Stay on with me, because the blame game and politics, as always, is raging on. The Saffron clan is claiming that this is systematic corruption. It's inefficiency in the Kejriwal Sarkar that contributed to the disaster. Now listen into this.
जो घटना राजेंद्र में घटी है उसने पूरे देश को सदमे में कर दिया। आज पूरा देश सकते में है, हर कोई दुखी है, बच्चा किसी का भी हो, लेकिन वो देश का एसेट था। 3 बच्चे थे, यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट्स थे, फ्यूचर आईएएस थे, देश के प्रशासन में सहयोग देते। आज वो हमारे बीच में नहीं है।
ये है वो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप जहां पर उनको बताया जाता है कि दुर्गेश पाठक जी, यहाँ कुछ अनहोनी हो जाए उससे पहले जाग जाइए, क्यों आपको राजेंद्र नगर की हालत दिख नहीं रही। लेकिन माननीय विधायक जी कुछ नहीं करते, उनके कानों पर जूं तक नहीं रेंगती।
आज दिल्ली की क्या हालत कर दी इन्होंने, झीलों का शहर बनाना था इन्होंने दिल्ली को। 3 नौजवान बच्चे, युवा हमारे साथ थे, एक बेसमेंट में डूब के मर जाते हैं देश की राजधानी में। ये अरविंद केजरीवाल का मॉडल है, ये आम आदमी पार्टी का मॉडल है। किस स्थिति में लाकर खड़ा कर दिया इन्होंने। उन परिवारों से पूछो जिन्होंने अपने नौजवान बच्चों को खोया, क्या बीत रही होगी उनके ऊपर, जो उनके उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए उनको कोचिंग सेंटर्स में भेज रहे थे। क्या पता था वो बेसमेंट उनको निकल जाएगी। ये है उनका झीलों का शहर। ये किस तरह की राजनीति है।
So what has happened following this incident? Delhi civic authorities have moved to seal the illegal operated basements of 3 coaching centers in Old Rajendra Nagar. Now here's a dispatch filed by Anmol Bali on the ground, trying to understand what happens now.
Currently, the MCD has started sealing the underground coaching institute, the basement coaching institute, and as you can see in the visuals, I am here at the Rajendra Nagar, opposite of the Karol Bagh metro station, where you can see in the visuals, MCD officers have come here half an hour ago and they have sealed this underground coaching institute or the basement coaching institute because it was seen yesterday in the evening after the heavy downpour, a basement at the Old Rajendra Nagar place which is also called the Makkah of UPSC preparation, got filled with the water. It was flooded with the water, and due to this incident, 3 UPSC aspirants have lost their life, 2 female and 1 male. And I'll also show you in the visuals, they have also pasted a notice here outside the basement where one can read, it has been brought to my notice that plot number 1B, basement, ground floor, first floor, second floor and third floor, Pusa Road, New Delhi, is being used for coaching center at the instance of owners, occupiers in violation of provisions of Master Plan 2021 in the name and style of Triumph IAS, Perfection, GS Core, Byju's. From here, one can understand that this is a multi-story building, and not only this institute. According to our sources, 2 more institutes and IAS coaching centers have been sealed by the MCD, and MCD is in the action mode because the students are raged. They are on the road. They are protesting against the MCD, who's being accused of negligence, which resulted into the death of 3 UPSC aspirants. With cameraman Anil Jaiswal, Anmol Bali from New Delhi.